Welcome to the Horse Patterns channel. The Horse Patterns channel is dedicated to helping developers understand and master design patterns and software architectures with a focus on practical application, clean code practices, and real-world scenarios. We'll go over several topics such as implementing different design patterns, building software architectures for the real world, focusing on clean code and best practices. Our philosophy, as Robert C. Martin, Uncle Bob, wisely said, the only way to go fast is to go well. We believe that delivering software quickly without compromising quality is possible only when code is well structured, modular, and easy to understand. Stick around and let's delve into this journey to pattern together.